Hi everyone, my name is T. John. Today I'll share with you about our system, MAU Academic Management System by Group 2. I'm the leader, T. John. So as you can see, there are four members in one group. There are Chan Jing Sheng, Lim Xiu Jing, and Lek Yok Shen. And I'm the group leader.
Hi Miss, my name is Lin Shujing, and today I would like to talk about introduction of AMU Academic Management System. This system is a powerful platform that designed to simplify academic process like courses registration, timetable management, and grade checking. With a user-friendly interface and real-time update, this system enhances efficiency and provide a modern, seamless experience for everyone at AMU. Now, I would like to talk about stakeholders of our system. First, student. Students are at the heart of the system. It enables them to efficiently register for course, access timetable and result, and management their academic tasks and information. They also receive real-time notification and have better communication with lecturer, improving their overall learning skill. And the second, lecturer. Lecturer are another key group. They can manage core content, public lesson, evaluate grade, and monitor student process similarly. The system also facilitates better communication with students, allowing lecturers to focus more on teaching rather than administrative tasks. And the third, academic administrator. Academic administrator rely on the system to manage curriculum elements, student record, and performance audios. By ensuring data, carefulness, and generating insightful report, administrator can make information decisions, streamlining academic management process for input efficiently. The fourth, system support team. The system support team play a vital role in maintaining the platform stability and security. Their responsibility include resolving technical issues, updating the system, and conducting security checks to ensure a smooth and reliable experience for all users. And the five, the finance unit. The finance unit use the system to manage fee payment, financial record, and billing processes. It enables efficient tracking of student payments, generating reports, and integrating with external payment gateway for seamless and accurate finance operation. And the last, examination record unit. The examination record unit leverages the system to manage exam schedule, securely release results, and track performance trends. It ensures the carefulness and confidentiality of exam-related data while providing students with the tool to access their schedule and exam slip without extra trouble. This is the extra question. Now I will answer the extra question. I spent more than 2 hours on the introduction and about 3 hours on the stakeholder, including drafting slide, content, combining script, and refining the presentation detail. This is all for my presentation. Now I would like to pass the mic to another member to present. Thank you.
First, I want to share with you about the requirement elicitation methods. So based on these slides, there are the primary stakeholder of our system, which is student, lecturer, and academic administrators. For students, students register for course through the system. Students can view their academic result. Students can track their academic progress, organize their schedules, and manage their tasks. And students also can view their tuition fees they are provided by the system. The second is the lecturers. Lecturers can upload course materials and update lessons by using the system. And lecturer can submit and manage the grade through the system. Lecturer also scheduling and managing exam for the course. Last is lecturer can view their curriculum class through the system. The third is the academic administrator. Administrator can manage the course schedule, including assigning the course to lecturers. They also manage accurate up-to-date student data, including grades, student status. And for this slide is about the questionnaire for our students. Total we have uh six questions. We only choose students and teacher to do the survey. So first question for the student is, do you agree that students should be able to view their academic result online? 100% is yes. The second question is, do you agree that students need to receive notification for unpaid fees? There are 85.7 is yes, and the rest is no. And the last question for student is, should the system allow students to directly register for course and exams? 85.7 is yes, and the rest 14.3 is no. This is the question for our lecturer. First question is, do you currently use a system to communicate with students? 7 respond, 85.7 is yes, 14.3 is no. How often do you need to adjust the class schedules? 15% is yes, 33.3% is no, always, and 16.7 is not often. And the last question is, do you face challenge in monitoring student enrollment for the lecturers? 85.7 is yes, 14.3 is no.
Thank you, John. Now I will present the requirements for our system designed to benefit both user and administrators. Let's start with the user requirements. User means student. First, profile management. Students can easily update their personal details and check academic records anytime. Second, course enrollment. The system allows them to register, drop, or swap courses within the allowed time. Third, timetable and exam schedule. Students can view their class and exam schedules and stay updated with any changes. Fourth, payment management. They can check tuition fees, view payment history, and securely pay online. Fifth, notification and updates. The system provides reminders for deadlines, events, and updates directly. 6. Support and communication. Students can contact their academic advisors or support team and share feedback directly through the brochure. Now, moving on to the administrator requirements. Administrator means staff. First, user management. Administrator can manage student and staff profile and control system access based on rules. Second, course and schedule management. They can create, update, or delete courses and ensure timetables and are conflict-free and up-to-date. Third, academic records. Staff can update grades and generate official performance reports. Fourth, system announcement. Administrator can post news, reminders, or important updates tailored to user roles. Fifth, financial management. They can track and manage tuition payments, refunds, and ensure secure processing of transactions. This system will streamline processes for students and staff, fostering a more efficient and user-friendly experience for everyone involved.
Hi, Miss. My name is Zhang Jingseng. Now I present my part for this presentation. They have two parts. The first part is the system constraint and the another part is the activity diagram. Let us look for the first part. This is our project overview. The objective is to develop a student management system within 6 months. There are some key features like the student registration, course management, attendance tracking, grading, and the reporting. And it also scalable for future modules like the alumni management, research tracking. The system is access to the student, lecturer or teacher, administrator, and the auditor. This is our regulation and institution requirement. Our compliance is to education regulation and institution policy, and to maintain detail for accountability. The data ownership is to clear policy for data access, strong storage, and ownership. This is the key constraint. They have a few the key constraint. The first is the scope. They have core function must be delivery, scalability, and few achievement considered. The second is the time. 6-month timeline with military requirement design, development, testing, and the development. The third is the cost. Fixed budget for development, license, hardware, and the maintenance. The last is the quality. Reliability, performance, security like the GDPR and the FERPA, and usability. This is our cost benefit analysis. The cost, we have the 4 items. The first is the efficient gain, 10K per year to automatic workflow. The second is the improved accuracies, like the 20,500 ringgit per year to reduce manual error. The third is the enhanced user experience, faster access to data, increased scientification. The last is a regulatory compliant, like the 15K per year to avoid fixed reputation damage. The benefit, they have 4 items. The first is the development cost, like the 20K for software license and tool. The hardware cost like the 12K to service storage and the networking. The third is the operating cost, 5K per year to maintain the system. The last also got 5K is the training cost to train the staff to use our system or adapt our system. And this is our cost and our ROI and PV and the rates. Our ROI is 121.77%, and this is our MPV, and our rate is 10%. The next is the key takeaway. Deliver cost function within 6 months while managing cost and the quality. Ensure compliance with regulation and the institution policy. Long-term benefit is to improve efficiency, accuracy, and the user satisfaction. The time frame. The deployment time frame is a month, 6 to 12 months. For the testing is 2 to 3 months to the system testing, and the deployment and training the staff amount 1 to 2 months. The next part is the resource estimation plan. This is our resource estimation plan, and this is our this is like the development to develop a system. The mean is one person can write like 415 LC is code, long of code per 1 month.
Thank you, Jeff. Now I want to explain the use case diagram, which highlights the key functionalities and interaction for our system. The system caters to various user groups, including students, lecturers, academic administrators, the system support team, the finance unit, and the examination record unit, ERU. Each group has distinct responsibilities and interactions. First, for students, they can view their course schedule and timetables and access their academic results seamlessly. The system allows them to track payments and fees and receive academic notifications to stay informed. If needed, students can report system issues directly to the system support team. Second, for lecturers can track student progress and ensure they receive updates on system maintenance. They also have access to exam timetables and contribute to managing exam results by coordinating with the examination record unit. For academic administrators enjoy secure access to data and manage tasks such as exam timetables and exam results. They also collaborate with the finance unit to oversee financial records and reports, ensuring everything is organized. For support units, the system support team addresses reported issues and keeps the system updated and maintained. The finance unit is responsible for managing student fees and financial records while generating necessary reports. Lastly, the examination record unit plays a critical role in handling exam results and ensuring the accuracy of exam-related data. This diagram reflects a well-connected and efficient system, with each role contributing to a seamless academic and administrative experience. It adjusts collaboration among all stakeholders, ultimately benefiting everyone involved. Now, I want to pass back to Jeff to continue explain the activity diagram.
This is our activity diagram. This is the overall for our student managed system. This is also activity diagram, but it's the sub for the overall. This is the managed timetable for admin. The admin can log. First, admin need to log into admin portal. Is yes, access to the timetable management. Is no, go again to log in. Then after access timetable management, make change timetable and save other timetable, and the last is added to the student. The next is the manage payment. This is also for the admin. Also same, log into the system, access payment dashboard, and search student record, verify payment detail. After verify, see the payment is complete. Is yes, added the payment record. If not, send the payment reminder to the student. This is the view timetable or exam schedule. This is for student. First, student log into the student portal, access timetable or exam schedule. Is timetable, view the timetable. If any other is yes, receive notification. Review other timetable and can download or print the timetable. If not, just go through to download or print. If sent to the exam schedule, view exam schedule, check for update. If check for update, it also through to download or print the timetable. This is the enroll course for the student. Start the process, check requirement. Is the requirement is meet? Is yes, enter the course selection, view the course detail. Is course available? This course is free for this sem. Is yes, enroll the course. Is no, enter the another course selection. Is yes, enroll the course. The system will display successful message. For this, if the required is no meet, it just go through to the end. That's all is my presentation. Thank you.
This slide is about our system class diagrams. So as you can see, there are 11 class. Users have a function of authenticate. Academic administrator have the three function: manage student status, audit performance, upgrade curriculum, generate reports. And student also have 5 function. Financial unit have 2 function. Finance record belongs to the finance unit. For the lecturer got 4 function. Class enrollment have 2 functions. Class examination record unit have 3 functions. Course have 2 functions. Exam schedule is related to examination record units. And the last is the class result is also belongs to the course. So if the primary stakeholder want to access our system, they need to key in their user ID and the password. After authenticate successfully, they are entering the system. For the student can view one student or many students can view one academic administrator. Meanwhile, one student also can view one financial records. For the lecturer can view the update curriculum from the academic administrator, which is one or many lecturer can view one academic curriculums. Lecturer also can manage course content, publish the lesson, and evaluate grade to the course, which is one lecturer can evaluate one course or many courses. So for the class examination record units, can create the exam timetables, get course ID from the enrollment to create the exam timetables and generate exam report. Students can enrollment course to the class enrollment, and also can view the grades, view the course. So basically, this is our class diagram design. So the last question for me is, what have I learned from this subject? From this subject, I've learned about the ELD diagram, the class diagrams, and also the activity diagram. And I also learned the ROI calculation in this subject and learn how to propose a system. So that's all for now. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.
Lastly, I want to make a summary for my contribution. I contributed to the requirements and use case diagram for the project. Specifically, I identified and documented the requirements for students and administrators, ensuring clarity on key functionalities like profile management, course enrollment, timetable access, payment handling, and communication tools. Additionally, I designed the use case diagram, mapping up the interaction between different user groups, such as students, lecturers, administrator, and support units, and the system core features. This work established the foundation for understanding user needs and system functionality. That's all of my contribution. Thank you.